breaking crops.
That's rude. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. The fanfic girlies that get it. That explains the burp redeem, yeah. Oh, that one was really sad. There you go. There you go. There's a big burp. Excuse me. Excuse me. The fact that you're a fucking hoarder. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Bless you.
I'll work with what you got. Wow, that was an impressive burp. Thank you. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Cotton Eye Joe. Ba-da, 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 ba. Excuse me.